Let's build a website. As being a design major here at Arizona State University, we use a lot of different social media sites to perfect our skills. For this assignment, I will be using WordPress to design my website. The object of this assignment was to make a professional website in which current and prospective professional contacts could see your work. This was pretty much a site where you can brag about all of the accomplishments and goals you have to get people interested in you. We will also be taking a look on how PSA is reflected into our professional websites. Some may ask, what is PSA? PSA stands for Problem Solving Approach. This is where you can solve your problems that will help you persuade and/or inform your audience. Some of the problems could be who should be allowed to view your documents, the contents of your documents, and the overall tone of your document. There are 5 steps to PSA: plan, research, draft, review, and distribute. The first step in PSA is to plan. Here I will demonstrate how customizing your professional website is a good starting point. WordPress makes it very easy for you to customize your website. It gives you a list of set themes to choose from, along with different fonts, colors, as well as creating posts, media, links, pages, comments, and feedbacks. It is a very basic site and very easy to use, as you have everything you will need on your personal dashboard. The second step to PSA is to research. I wanted to make all of my information on my professional website that was going to sell me. After all, in the business world, I am the product. I did a little research on myself and wanted to make key points that I found to be very interesting based off my accomplishments thus far. It is a really good idea to make a list of points you want to display. Some things you may want to include in your professional website is: where are you from? Where do you go to college? What are your future goals? What are some of your accomplishments, and what are some of your inspirations? The third step to PSA is to draft. After I've answered some of the key points, I play around with different formats to see what should go where and how it should be displayed on my website. As you can see on this page on my website, I did not want to make it very uniformed. I wanted my artwork to be the main focus on the page and found that moving the photos around to make a sideways triangle added more interest to my website. The fourth step to PSA is to review. I find this to be one of the most important steps to PSA and should be done more than one time. Before you submit your work, it is important to have another set of eyes to check. Sometimes another person can see something that you have missed. At this step, you should be looking for grammatical errors along with spelling errors. You must review your work and make it look as professional as possible. The last step to PSA is to distribute. For this professional website, I will be creating a URL which will be easy for professional contacts to locate me. Finally, it was time to submit all of my hard work. I did one last review and it was on the web. I made sure my URL for my website was something that people could easily locate and search on the web. If you would like to have a look at my professional website, go to wordpress.caitlinmahan.com.